Hello everyone! In this video I will be featuring Vogel State Park, which is in Blairsville in northeast Georgia. My mother and I went camping here back in early September of this year, 2023, and it was absolutely phenomenal. What I really like about Vogel is that there is so much to do. There's some nice trails with waterfalls. There's a beautiful lake with a man-made beach, and the campground is outstanding. Now, what I think I'm going to do is I'll make a separate video of just the campground where I'll kind of show the grounds and I will show as many of the actual sites as I can. I will link that video at the end if you are interested in seeing more of the campground in depth. But in this video, it's just going to be an overview of the camping trip that I enjoyed with my mother. Hello, this is Outdoor Mary. Welcome to my channel. So, I absolutely love being outdoors and exploring all the beauty this amazing world has to offer. I'm also passionate about finding ways to have affordable adventures. We have to watch our coins these days. Anyway, I would love to share this with you. So stick around and experience the outdoors with me.
Give me that one of those Amazon and put me on my car. Because of course you guys work sometimes. I mean, I always, go because you do work a full-time job. But if I have extra time.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Mary. This is just too fantastic for me.
It's gorgeous. That there's miniature golf, putt and such. Yeah, for those that might be interested. Okay, so now my mom and I are gonna show you guys the visitor center, and it's a really nice one. The store has just about anything you would need. So it looks like, what we got here? Got a good selection of stuff. Okay. Just about everything.
Yeah,
look,
I didn't know this is.
It's a huge assortment.
They actually have a nice assortment.
Yeah, I know. Oh, okay, that was nice. I tell you what, this park is really, really gorgeous, and there's so much to do. So right over here they have rentals. There's kayaks, canoes, like pedal boats, all sorts of things, and the rates are quite reasonable. You can walk all the way around the lake here. In just a bit I'll hit the visitor center. But even across the lake there's so many nice areas for seating where you can just kind of sit and enjoy being by the water. have lunch with your family. Yeah, I can't believe I've never come here before. I mean, this is wild. I can't believe I've lived in Georgia all of these years and I've never come to this gym. It really is.
Hello.
Look at this. Look at the mountain back. Nice. Beach rules here. Get a shot of this. Beach rules. Okay. Oh, it's actually deeper than I thought it was going to be. Look, look, look. So you can, it's a nice stretch of beach actually. Bathrooms and whatnot over there. So I'm not going to go all the way down, but they also have this cool grassy area. They have a playground and a little fitness center over there. And just a nice open area where the kids can run and play. So that's nice. Entrance to some of the trails there. And more cottages down there. And more entrance to trails there. It looks like there's a grassy area there that you can enjoy playing ball.
I'm addicted to you, baby. I don't wanna change that now. I don't want anything different, baby. I'm not coming down. I've been fiending for, I've been in need of you, of you. I've been fiending for, I've been in need of you.
All right, I'm excited. We're at Vogel State Park. Look at this. Ah, the grounds are beautiful. Look at these trees. A lot of great campsites here. I am thrilled. Ooh, I'm so happy. I don't even have words. I'm so happy right now. So, it's just my mom and I. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at this. Okay, I'm losing my train of thought here. But it's just my mom and I today. We're going to camp out here for a couple of nights. Try to hit some trails. But look at this. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Don't you like this, Mom?
Yeah.
This is nice.
Yes,
yeah.
I like it a lot. Yeah,
This is nice.
it's even nicer than I
Oh, and look at the trees. You see how close the bathroom actually is? So the bathroom's actually really close.
My goodness.
Yeah.
It's a lot closer than I thought.
So yeah, I still don't want to walk to it at night, but it's close.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I'm with you on that one.
Oh, this is nice.
It's really nice.
So even though they're not the campsites, that is, they're not spread apart that far. They're still relatively private, at least in my opinion. And I love the tree cover. Ooh. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start setting everything up. And yeah, we'll be back in a bit. Let me go ahead and show the rest of the campsite. We're at campsite 80. I'll try to start from the top here so you can kind of see what it looks like. But here's campsite 80. It's a back end. It's pretty big. This is like, I feel like I picked a really good site because I like how big this particular tent pad is. So come on down here so you can see the whole thing. Got your grill here. Okay. Picnic table over there. But look how wide this site is. Like, I could have brought a bigger tent. I brought a slightly smaller one, a 10 by 15, just because I wasn't sure. But now I know. I could have brought a much bigger tent. And of course we've got our water. And we've got our power here. So okay, very good. We're gonna go ahead and start setting up now. All right, so Moms and I are gonna go ahead and try to set this tent up. This is the first time we'll be setting up this tent at all, so we'll see how it goes. It's a really nice tent. I got it on Facebook Marketplace. It's a Jeep brand tent, which really isn't made anymore. They're really good quality. So we're probably gonna fumble around a bit, but hey, it is what it is. All right. Okay. On that end there. I guess we'll try to... That one right in the middle there? No,
so the yellow one goes in the middle. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see the. Okay. Put the yellow.
This is the full setup now.
Nice. There's a restroom down here.
We got everything fully put together. And I'm not gonna lie, we kind of struggled on this one, and I honestly don't know why. Because it's not a difficult tent to put up. So honestly, I feel kind of silly. But anyway, we got it up nonetheless, and we got everything set up here. I'll try to show you guys the whole setup here. Got the power hooked up to it, and yeah, so that's that. I'm gonna go ahead and show the inside of the tent just because some people might be curious, but I'm not gonna really do a review because you guys can't go out and buy this tent anymore. So this tent is Jeep, made by Jeep. And they stopped making them, I think, maybe 8-9 years ago, which is a shame because I've said it before, but these tents are really nice quality tents. I mean, they really are. You can tell that the material is thicker. Everything about it is just a better quality tent. And it's a darn shame they don't make them. But anyway, this is it. We got the rugs that we always put down. Kept it real simple this time, so we didn't deck it out like a house this time. Just my mom and I, and we're just gonna keep it real simple, real easy. Just air mattresses, some rugs, and yeah. Got our solar lights, of course. But anyway, this is the tent. It's a pretty big tent, 12 by 15, and it has 2 true dividers. You know, some of these tents say that they split up into rooms, but all it is like this little hanging curtain type deal. But these actually zip off completely. And I love, love, love that. So anyway, that's that. We're gonna go ahead and grab something to eat. And yeah, we'll start hiking first thing tomorrow morning. Good morning from Vogel State Park. We had a good sleep last night. The weather was great. It was certainly a far cry from the 107 degrees that we had in Utah. So that was nice. Yeah, had a great sleep. Sometime around 2 o'clock in the morning, my mom and I, we did hear what we're pretty sure was a bear that was just kind of sniffing around. But of course, you know, we don't keep any food in our tents when we're in bear country. So it kind of sniffed around and it went on about its business. So no worries there. And as you can see, this campground is quite full, quite bustling. So, you know, yeah, we felt quite safe for sure. But anyway, I'm just waiting for my mom and we'll go ahead and hit some trails. I don't know which trails we're going to do yet, but we'll see what we can get into.
Yeah.
It's a Trahalita. Tralita. But you know what's cool is that you can see the water is actually pretty clear, because I mean the bottom is dark, but you can still see straight through it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
See how dreamy is this? Right? Look at this. Make sure it's getting. Oh, this looks dreamy, Ma.
Yes, it does.
Doesn't it?
Oh wow.
And remember when we were here in the evening?
Yeah.
And you can see the lights there.
Yeah.
And everything. Ooh, this looks almost like mystical.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Mm-hmm.
You more than I know. You left me in the cold. These lives are usual for me, but I guess I'm getting used to this. 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 'Cause no matter where you are, across the stars, I'll still be chasing. But I guess I'm getting used to this. I guess I'm getting used to this. You'll find another way to go. You'll track across the starry road. And it's warm, but either way I'm cold. And if I find you, I don't know if I'll go.
Hey. I'm going to try to show you guys some of the other accommodations that they have here at Vogel State Park, but they have these log cabin looking deals here. And a lot of these log cabins, what's great is that they are right across from the water over here, which is nice. And of course it gives kind of that rustic feel. And nestled in the woods too, as you can see here. So isn't that nice? Imagine how cozy that would be, right? And it looks like they still have the picnic benches and a fire pit and everything else as well, which is great. But isn't that cute? So they also have the, I guess we call it cottage style, as you see right up there. So they're very cute, very quaint. It looks like they also have a covered area where you can sit and relax if it's raining. So at some point I will try to show some of the other campsites. There's no way I can show them all. It's a very large campground. There's upwards of, what, I guess like 35 cottages, as you can see here. I think there's upwards of about 100 different campsites for RV, tent, etc. So while I can't show them all, I will try to show some at least. As you can see, there's another cottage style up there. And there to the left we have the visitor center, and it has a good store. I think I mentioned that already, but the store is nice. So ice cream, drinks, sandwiches, of course basic medications and things like that. It's a well-stocked store. So if you forget to stop by and bring any provisions, don't worry about turning around. Chances are this store will have what you need. Another good view of one of the cottage style there. Very quaint. I'll try to show the sights the best I can.
This park, it really is different, man.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no. Yeah. You might want to let people know.
No. Oh, look, their side is cute because they got a little bridge. There's like 3 little separate pads.
Yeah. It's pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it's kind of neat.
There's like little steps and go. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hear good about walking around. You can see which one to get the next time.
Yeah, so
The last one did look small, don't you think so?
88 is nice.
I mean, these are nice here, but the ones. Yeah, 88's nice.
The 88 is nice.
Nice.
89 is nice. 'Cause again,
Yeah.
what's cool about them is see how it has a separate area up the steps where you can have your.
Future reference, right?
Again, 90 what's cool is it has this little separate tent pad area.
Yeah.
And you're not neighboring anybody.
Yeah, right. Oh, man.
For me, just the peace and quiet of nature is what gives me peace, you know.
Yeah, I mean, really.
And to be able to do more of that, that's going to be huge.
I love the way, like you say, the ones you can put behind your vehicle.
Mm-hmm.
I remember myself when you get behind the tip behind my vehicle. And I can stand up. You know? Yeah. Very nice.
Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. 54.
Yeah. Okay.
55.
Almost look like a
Oh yeah, very nice site by the water there.
Yeah.
So all these are by the water.
Yeah.
All those by the water. Site 58 there to the left.
Oh, look at Santa Claus statue right
So I'll
there.
get out of the middle of the road again.
Yeah.
I'll go to the bridge at least. And you have to be able to walk all your stuff out. See, look,
Oh.
3/10 of a mile to get to it.
Oh no.
Yeah. Let me pan
I
over
would
here.
prefer not to be at the pioneers.
No.
Basically not any town. But of course, if the Christmas lights, that's good. You know?
Yeah. But some people do. They want to feel like they're out there with nature and the wilderness, and they don't want to feel like they're in a campground.
Right.
Can you imagine having to walk up here with all your camping gear?
Oh,
Bathhouse?
hey, look, man, I like this bathhouse because their doors aren't next to each other.
Well, and this one, it looks like it's new.
Yeah.
It really does.
Oh, look at this.
So,
one is for both. Oh, these kind of have automatic lights, I think.
mm-hmm.
So
I think we got the drink machine too.
oh, good.
I think all we got is the vending machine. Yeah. Oh, look at the library. That's such a good idea.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Ah.
Thank you, Chris.
The starry night is filled with all the fading ember and the lost loves of love lost and can't remember what you last said of the last day of last September. Got pockets full of pearls, they falling down like it's timber. Good baby, please, and maybe starstruck. 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 You got me starstruck, but it seems that you don't wanna talk. And when the stars align, I'll make them shine. I know if I can have you, then I'll choose no one. 'Cause baby, you are wonderful. In the last days, we'll all find out in conclusion. We were lost souls and we were stuck in confusion. In the same game and chasing the same illusion. Patiently embracing the fakeness. I believe that we shouldn't take it. The world is so toxic, complacent. Swimming in the sea is so basic. Meant for each other. Baby, can't you face it? Good baby, please, and maybe starstruck. Good baby, please, and maybe starstruck. Good baby, please, and maybe starstruck.
Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed the video today. If so, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That way you can join me on my next adventure. Well, until then, be good to yourself and do something that makes you happy today. Bye-bye now.